and welcome to this week's edition of Cooking with Things I Found in My Kitchen. We've got a fun one for you today. We're going to make strawberry soda, which is basically strawberry syrup and soda water. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be a blast. And let's start by heating up some water on our precious, lovely, delicious heater thing of water. It's good. It's good. You'll like it. I think you'll like it. While that's heating up, these are about a pound of strawberries. As you can see, I've cut their butts off. Well, their heads, their butts, however you want to do it. It's a simple one. Just stick the knife in, turn your strawberry, and bam, no butt. Give it a little quarter, and you're good to go. We got all those ready. We're also going to have one lemon. This guy's going to get cut in half because we need his juices, his precious fluidy juices. Our water is boiling enough for me. Let's add in our sugar. Don't boil us. I'm boiling you. We'll give that a stir until it dissolves, which really, it won't take that long. Make sure you keep it agitated. You don't want it to burn the sugars and ruin your pan and your life and everything just goes horrible for you after this. Nope, just there.
About how much sugar goes in a cup when I make tea.
Okay, that's dissolved. Next go in all of our strawberries. Yeah, not me. Everybody goes in. Now, this is a lot of strawberries that are going in here because I want a lot of strawberry flavor. That's how I likes it. And this is one lemon. The lemon's just to give it a little bit of tang. If you don't have a lemon, you're not going to really suffer for it. But if you do have a lemon, I think you're going to like the extra oomph that you get from putting it in there. Yeah. Blah. This is going to go for 3 to 5 minutes. Give it a little stir along the way and go ahead and smash it up with your spatula when it gets going. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. This is all boily. I've given these guys a little bit of a smoosh. Kira's the one who gave them a smoosh. I was crazy lazy about it. And now we're going to transfer all this into here so that it can cool down. We're power off that guy. And because I am scared of burning myself, we're going to do the strawberries first. This really does smell pretty good so far. So I think you guys are going to be very happy, I assume, in your fan clubs that you've all made for me, where you all just like think about how much money to send me this week. Go ahead, any amount's fine. I don't mind. There's no amount too large. Just keep trying. Okay. Now, and I think this is going to be fun. It should have turned pretty wildly red.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Now we cool. We cool. Cool. Okay. We did everything we said. We got this chilled. I used the super fast chilling thing where you take this and you put it in a bigger thing of ice water and you stir it around a lot. And now it's cold quicker. You can also shove it in a fridge or freezer or whatever. But anyway, get it chilled because now's the fun part. Stick blenders. Your favorite, my favorite, everyone's favorite. Let's do this. Good. Oh, yeah. Oh, I love it. Getting there. Almost. Okay. That's blendy and it's got little bits. Get off the bits. Yeah. Okay. So, and what do we do with it now? Now we have ourselves our snack that we took so much time to make. Can't wait. 3 tablespoons of your delicious slurry. Yeah. That's about 3 tablespoons. Into all of your fancy, fun-loving glasses. Yeah. Probably. And then 8 ounces of soda, or we don't say soda because we're in Texas, Topo Chico. Yeah, all right, that just goes in. I know, it's fizzy. It's because we're making soda. Soda is fizzy. Deal with it. But you know, slowly. Very slowly. Maybe if we give it a stir. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's totally gonna work. I don't even care anymore. We're going for it. Yeah. Life's too short. I mean, sure, clean things are fun too, but I want my soda. That's gonna do it. We'll chuck in some ice, because, yeah, it'll keep it colder. Yay, huzzah. Woo. Give it a stir. And then make somebody who doesn't really like soda anyway try it.
That's really good strawberry soda.
Hell yeah, it's really good strawberry soda. Woo! Because on Cooking with Things I found in my kitchen, we make good things so that you can make good things. And you can send me that huge amount of money you've been wanting to do. But thank you for joining us on yet another wonderful edition. We had a good time. I made a mess. Her problem now. I hope your day's going well. I hope everything's wonderful. On behalf of myself, our fabulous producer, editor, and love of my life, Molly, thank you. I love you. You're fantastic. Our DP, Kira, she's the best. Thank you so much for joining us. This has been another edition of this show. It has a name. We're on My Darling Quarantine Productions. It's been a long week. Who cares anymore? Let's just have some sun soda. Thank you so much. Cheers to you. Cheers to us. Clinky. Clinky. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. I mean, it could be better. Oh yeah, that's better. Much better. Have a wonderful week. Good night, everybody.
I do genuinely really enjoy this.
Sweet.
Now it's losing its strawberry flavor.
Bye.